Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and if you like luxury, like I do, then just keep watching. How are you doing? And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button below, and then right next to it is the notification bell. Hit that bell for you can be notified as soon as I upload another video. So if you enjoy luxury, fashion, and lifestyle, then just keep watching. Today, I bring to you an unboxing and from the house of Chanel, and you see I have some Chanel items right here. Let's get into this unboxing. I wanted to wear it last night, but I had not did this video, so I'm doing it today. So that is the Chanel ribbon, and there you go, the beautiful camellia. Yes, I wanted to do something weird with that bow. With that camellia. I always do. I want to stick it in my hair, stick it on my arm, just stick it somewhere. And then here's the box that it comes in. With this size box, yes, we know that it is what? Something small. Right, so these are very, very popular, and here they are. Yes, 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 yes. This is fashion jewelry, aka costume jewelry. So it is just metal and gold tone, and it is Chanel. Each earring will come with the 3 letters on each earring or each side. So 3 on this side, 3 letters, and 3 letters. Okay, anyway, sorry. It's beautiful. And then a little chain links the letters together. I picked them up in the boutique. I do know that they are listed on Fashion File, the Pre-Love website, and I am going to bring it up closer to you so you can get a better view. How beautiful they are. I love them. I love them. I love them. Okay, and then and here inside is the ticket right here. Okay, so these are earrings, Z0000, that's 4 zeros golden, and then it says NSZ for no size. They retail for $8.50, or the item code is A as in apple, B 1441X is an X-ray 01060, and again these are Z00, that's 4 zeros, Z0000 earrings golden, Chanel. And I will, oh my goodness, I will try them on for you. Visit your local Chanel boutique and see if they have them in stock, because by surprise, they did have them available when I went. Or your last resort is to, you can locate them definitely on Fashion File. On Fashion File, I know that they have these right here, and then they also have the ones that have the stones, the rhinestones throughout the and the NEL. So these are just the flat gold tone ones, and those are it. What do you think? Comment below. that is it for today. One luxury item from the fashion house Chanel. And I do believe I have them on correctly. So when you look at me, do you see Chanel? Because I was like, well, which way do you put them on? Do you put them on this way or this way? Am I reading it Chanel or Chanel? Which way? So comment below. How are you reading these earrings? All right. Until next time. Thank you for watching. Stay classy. And until the next time, please subscribe, okay? Hit that notification bell and stay classy. Bye-bye. What do you think? What do you think? I like them.